Harvesting time, baby. Okay. Wow.
I think that's deeper than my waders.
It is pretty deep. I don't know if it's deeper than your waders. I was over there yesterday.
It's definitely deeper than mine.
Okay. There we go, baby. Look at this. Just out in the middle of nowhere. This fish. The clearest water you're ever gonna see. Just beautiful, beautiful land. It's absolutely amazing. So glad I did this. Oh yeah, I found a piece of petrified wood yesterday too. It's in my backpack. Or, you know what? It's in this backpack.
I found one about this size, just up the river where the gladiator fishes are.
Look at this. This nodule is so cool.
Yeah, it's full of them.
Man, this log would be so expensive to own, to cut up so that people would. Oh my God, Sandy!
Oh wow!
Look at that!
Wow!
Freaking awesome. Freaking beautiful mushrooms. And look at, I swear to God, I think those are what were lion's mane like we thought.
Get up closer to that. Come on over here and get
Woo-wee! That is so sick. Wow, I should have brought the bucket, huh? Oh yeah, I know, you just boil them. And it deactivates them. Yeah.
Oh, but it might not grow the same taking it somewhere else.
I don't think it will. I think it's chosen its most perfect spot. But you know where they're at if you want to take them. He's just chilling.
Sorry, my sisters are kind of mean.
Yeah, like pink beads, and then there's some coral. Some more coral there. What? Take it easy, guys. Keep fishing.